All right, everybody, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, second grade, good morning, second grade. Glad to have you back with me on this catch-up Friday. I'm going to walk you right through what you need to do today and some exciting things that are happening later into the day. All right, so let's take a peek at the agenda. You found my morning video right here. Awesome. We have share time this morning at 9 o'clock, which is our normal meeting time. There's the link for that. That's the first one. The second link in here is for the movie at 11 o'clock this morning. Quick note on that. I still see a number of friends have not voted for the movie, so please do so by about 10 o'clock, because that's when I'll be getting Disney Plus all set up. And you can vote for it right here in the classwork tab under movie. And still looks like it's pretty close across the board, so get your vote in so we can figure out what movie we're going to be watching. And like I said before, it is a catch-up day. So take this morning time before the movie, finish up any missing work that you have from morning work, ELA work, writing, anything for your specials. And I'm going to be putting the music stuff in here in just a few minutes after this video, so you'll see the music link in here. Any math stuff, and definitely any science stuff. I only have a handful of friends that have passed in your letter to service workers in peace. So please make sure you're getting that stuff into me. If you didn't turn it in, I'll be checking anyway to see what you got done, so I can grade that, okay? So that's what we've got. There are no small group Zooms today. Let me see. That is just about it, second grade. So make sure you're checking and seeing if you have any missing work. Again, you go into the classwork tab, view your work, and in here you'll see anything that might be missing. If it shows up as missing, but you did not turn it in, I'll be looking through all the missing work in just a little bit, and you should see a grade for it, okay? Because I know that there are some assignments you just can't turn in. So I go through anyway, and I'll be able to grade them, and you'll see that I put a grade in. But this is always a good way to check and see if you do have anything missing. Work on the stuff from this week. Don't worry about the stuff from last week. And that's it. So I plan on seeing you all at 9 o'clock, and definitely all of you for our movie at 11, which will be a lot of fun. I can't wait. All right, see you in a little bit, second grade.